Here's how I cook my spaghettis. Add butter and olive oil in a pan, then add chicken, garlic paste with 1 chopped green chili. I just love the aroma when these two go together. Once the chicken changes its color, add salt, pepper, vinegar, and soy sauce. It will take a while to be done, then take it out in a plate and keep it aside. Now in the same oil again add chopped garlic with green chili and vegetables all together. Mix it well and cover with the lid. Now for sauce preparation, take 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2.5 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, salt 1 tablespoon, black pepper 1.5 teaspoon, sugar 1 tablespoon. Sugar is a must, guys, don't skip it please. Now add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. I added 1.5 because I like mine extra spicy. Now add the boiled noodles and mix it together. Add the sauce, again mix it together, and once it's mixed, add your prepared chicken, mix it and add cilantro. The noodles are ready.